Pytz and astimezone cannot be applied to a naive datetime. I have a date and I need to make it time zone aware. I need to find if this is true. But I get this error. I convert UTC to Tokyo with no issue. I need to make start_date time zone aware add well in Tokyo. Thanks.
For pytz time zones, use their .localize method to turn a naive datetime object into one with a time zone. For time zones without a DST transition, the .replace method to attach a time zone to a naive datetime object should normally also work. See the localized times and date arithmetic of the pytz documentation for more details.
You could use local_tz.localize naive_dt is_dst equals none to convert a naive datetime object to time zone aware one. Is_dst equals none forces localize to raise an exception if given local time is ambiguous. If you are using Django REST framework, you could override the datetime field class like and you use it like this in your serializer. Hope this helps someone.
이크